pretties, what's good? It's Brittany. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna talk all about the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette accessoire, or what most of us simply know as the Mini Pochette. I have the Mini Pochette in the Damier Azur. I also have it in the special edition holiday 2019 print. And I have it in the classic monogram. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what, if any, differences, or if I have any different type of love towards these bags. You know, they're kind of like your children. Do you really have a favorite? Also, I'll be talking more about what fits and how I was able to get these, because I did have completely different experiences with each of these purchases. So I'll first start with the one that I got first, which is the Mini Pochette in the Damier Azur. So Damier means checkered, so the Azur is, pretty sure it means white, but really it's like a white and blue check. But yes, I purchased this bag off I want to say Vestiaire Collective. Now for this print, I knew I would need to go the pre-loved route because I never ever saw this on the website, never even heard of people really getting this in this print off the website. And I knew I probably wasn't going to be that lucky, so I went ahead and I just purchased it pre-loved. Also, I wasn't quite sure how this would be with like color transfer, or just getting dirty or looking yellow. Like, I knew I would be too scared to buy this brand new because of wear and tear, so I just felt more comfortable getting this pre-loved. And I believe pre-loved, I got this for like $310. Y'all, I use this Pouchette all the time, and even with as much as I use it, the wear is still like overall pretty minimal. Like, it just is still a really pretty gorgeous piece. This is the piece that I'm actually currently using, so I will share with y'all what is in here. But yes, I just wanted to first let you know that that's how I got this bag and why I went the pre-loved route. And I'm just going in order from when I bought these bags. So the next bag that I purchased is the classic monogram Mini Pochette. So yeah, I really wanted this in the classic monogram. And I kept hearing of people scoring this off the website. So I was like determined. I was like, I am getting this off the website. Like, I just kept hearing of people over and over getting this bag. So I went on the Louis Vuitton website, created an account, put this in my favorites, and y'all, I just refreshed. Anytime I would think about it, I would just refresh, and I just did it over and over again. And I probably did it maybe a week. And one day I refreshed it and it said place in cart. I placed it in cart, I bought it, and here we go. Now there is the slightest bit of wear on here because basically something else in my bag rubbed up against the vachetta tab, and it's just like a little bitty scuff on the tab. I try not to let it bother me, but honestly it bothers me, which is why I got this pre-loved, because I knew if I bought it new and I messed it up, it would bother me. So yes, I mean, y'all, it's a very valid reason to buy things pre-loved, is to not deal with the anxiety of like messing one of these items up. Because it's real. The anxiety is real. But yes, I bought this directly on the website. I don't remember the price off the top of my head, but I will go ahead and put it on the screen. All right, so my third and final Mini Pochette is the holiday special print limited edition. This is the holiday 2019. And y'all, I'm eating so much crow with this because I definitely did a video where I said that no matter the hype, I would never buy a designer item that had like a print on it. It just looks kind of tacky to me. And yet here we are. Actually, this is my favorite because I really love the pink and the brown. Now this one I purchased directly from the Louis Vuitton boutique in the Galleria Mall here in Dallas. And I literally walked in. This is again in 2019. I walked in, I said, hey, do you have any holiday print items available? And he showed me a wallet and he showed me this, and I was like, definitely the Mini Pochette. So yeah, I bought it. I think this was like $4.25 maybe. But y'all, these right now are going for double on the pre-loved market. So for those of y'all who think that these are just a waste of money, not always. Like, these can be investment pieces. I wouldn't bank on these as an investment because it's kind of hit or miss, but they definitely can be investment pieces. All right, now these are all my babies, but if I had to choose a favorite, I would choose the classic because I feel like you just can't go wrong. I don't know, it's something, y'all. Like the classic, it hits different. It's so cute. Yeah, I would go with the classic. Coming in second and like a really close second would be the limited edition, only because y'all, after carrying like my Speedy, especially here in Dallas, like you see people with Louis Vuitton bags all the time. So it's really like refreshing when I'm out and about and I see something that's still recognizable as Louis Vuitton, but that's very different. And I feel like people really pick up on that when they see this too. Like I get a lot of compliments when I'm out and about. So there is something to be said about having, you know, something that's a little different that like not everyone has. I've eaten crow and I've learned to develop a special appreciation for these limited edition pieces. All right, but the mini pochette that I am currently using is the Damier Azur. So let's take a look at what fits. Okay, so first and foremost, I have a huge hand sanitizer. Hello, this is just our new normal, unfortunately. I have cash in here. I have $100 bill. Yeah, I don't ask me, but yes, I have some cash in here just floating around in there. I have my eye drops. So these are eye drops specifically for contact wearers because I never want to be caught out and about with some dry ass contacts. If y'all know what that feels like, then next I have my card holder. Make sure y'all can't see my cards. Next, I have this card holder from Kate Spade. Y'all, I feel like this is just gonna be one of those card holders that I'll just have till it like literally falls apart. Next, I have, a little Claritin packet, a random receipt. I do have some loose change in here. I know a lot of Luxe babes would be like, loose change, but yeah, it's just, it's a very low maintenance bag. You just gotta have one. I do have a random bobby pin. And then last but not least, I have my favorite lip, not this particular shade, but one of my favorite things to put on my lips, which is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color Istanbul. It's not my favorite color of theirs, but whenever y'all ask me what I'm wearing on my lips, I can almost guarantee you that either the base or the top coat is from NYX. So yeah, that's everything that fits. I mean, it wasn't packed full. I'm sure I could probably fit a few more things if I really try. I don't keep a mask in here because usually if I'm out and about, I am wearing my mask. But I don't know, I just wouldn't want to put it in my purse. So even still, I would probably put it in like my pocket. Yeah, so I put everything back in there, zip it up, and you're good to go. And usually, y'all, I just wear it like this. Y'all can't see it, but like as a little wristlet, and I just go. Like it's super simple. Obviously it doesn't fit like my cell phone, but y'all, I found that no matter how big my purse is, I never ever put my cell phone in my bag. I never do it. But yeah, that's everything that fits my mini pochette. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah. Bye guys.